Hi foodies, I am food prepping. So I just made my little meal here, my hummus meal. And I made a white bean hummus with our finishers all on top. And I put some veggies and fruits on here. Apples with hummus is a game changer, and always warm your hummus. It is delicious warmed. So I have a 3-quart Instant Pot, and I know a lot of you do too. So I love to do my home prepping or my food prepping of our favorite staples, not all in one day, but I just kind of spread it out. When I have a little time here and a little time there, that's when I do it. I just put some beans to soak, some chickpeas to soak, that later on I will go ahead and food prep. Who is doing the work? Not me. The Instant Pot is doing it, because the chickpeas are soaking, which took me no time at all to just pour the water and my 3 things to keep the gases down with the chickpea, which is the kombu, the baking soda, and the fennel seeds. And then I'm going to Instant Pot them. So now my Instant Pot is free. So I'm going to put some potatoes. I have mini potatoes here. They're about this size. They're tiny. They're little. So I am going to put them in my Instant Pot with 1 cup of water. So 1 cup of water. I've rinsed the potatoes. I've filled my basket. This is a basket that I bought as an accessory on Amazon for my 3-quart Instant Pot. Make sure that you look up for 3-quart, because if not, you're going to end up with a big one that doesn't fit in your Instant Pot. So now my little, and this is great because it's a rubber handle, so it doesn't, I can pick it up when it's hot. So I'm putting my potatoes in here, and now I'm just going to do high pressure. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to seal it. I don't know if I can do this backwards when I'm looking at you guys. There we go. And I'm going to make sure that it's on seal. And now I'm going to do high pressure 2 minutes, and the Instant Pot's doing all the work. So when the potatoes are done, I'm just going to lift the basket, make sure they're rinsed off. And then I'm going to throw them in an airtight container, and I'm going to keep them in the fridge. That first day, I could make mashed potatoes with it, or I could cut them in half and make air fried potatoes. I could make Hasselback potatoes, which is like Jane Esselstyn and Aunt Esselstyn make the Hasselback potatoes. You take the potatoes and you armadillo them. You kind of make little scores in them, and then you toss them in hummus, and then you stick them in your air fryer. I could cut them into little chips. So I am air frying, for those of you that are getting here now, I'm air frying small little potatoes in my Instant Pot. It takes 2 minutes with 1 cup of water in a little steamer basket. So I have a steamer basket accessory for my Instant Pot. My Instant Pot is the 3-quart one. So we love, this is one of the staples that we keep in the fridge, and they're tiny little potatoes, and I'll show you, because once they come out, I'm going to end up putting them in my airtight container, which is this one. And I fill this entire container to the top of potatoes that I keep in my fridge. So that's one of our staple food preps, because we can reach for them and add them to our meal as a side dish. We can munch on them. Jay will open them and eat them like he does the air fried chickpeas, where he just sticks his hand in the container and grabs some potatoes and munches on them cold. He can warm them up. He can use them to dip hummus or any other dips, or he can toss them up with something. He can throw them in the air fryer. I can throw them in the air fryer. There are so many uses for them. So there you go. Instant Pot, baby potatoes, 1 cup of water in your steamer basket, and then you set it for high pressure for 2 minutes, and then you just let it naturally release, pull them out, and store them in your airtight container. Bye foodies. Hope you're having a happy day. You might see me again if I keep finding stuff to food prep.